Today I'm unboxing and trying out this hairdryer set that I was sent to try out. Inside of the box you receive the instructions manual, a hairbrush, the diffuser attachment piece, a nozzle attachment piece, and the high-quality, small, lightweight hairdryer. And now it's time to try it out. To use, flip on the power switch and adjust the heat with the dial. Once you've used it by scrunching the hair over and over, it'll turn out something like this depending on your hair's natural curl pattern and the products used.